Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I flocked my Christmas tree DIY style. The items that I use are snow flock, a strainer, tarp for my floor, and a spray bottle with water. Sorry, my boyfriend is in the way. So, first I sprinkled my flock on the tree, but you're supposed to sprinkle it with water first. So you spray it with water, and then you sprinkle it with the snow flock. And then you spray it with water again, just to make sure it sticks to the tree. So I just did the Christmas tree piece by piece, and I added to my desired look. I like a lot of snow. So my second piece, I just repeat that process over again as I did my bottom piece. And this was very easy to do. It took about an hour. And I chose to do this in my dining room. I feel like if I did it outside, it would have been a little messy. So yeah. So I let the tree sit for 24 hours to let it dry. And this is how it turned out. I'm excited and satisfied with it. And I love how it looks like snow is sitting on the tree. I will put all the items in the description box down below. Thank you for watching my channel. Please stay tuned for more.